My name is Vaibhav Reddy and I present to you Pivotal Lab. So today we'll be actually going into the curriculum, and the first unit we'll cover is body systems. So in this unit we'll be covering the body systems, and when we put these body systems together, they make up our bodies. They work together to make our bodies what they are. So I'll be covering the 10 major body systems, including skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, circulatory, lymphatic, respiratory, digestive, reproductive, and urinary systems. So we'll start off with the circulatory system. So what it does is it circulates blood throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood itself. The whole system works with the help of constant pressure from the heart and valves throughout the body. So this pressure that is created ensures that your veins carry the blood to the heart and that the arteries take the blood away from the heart. So the heart, as the heart contracts, it pumps blood so that the deoxygenated blood is sent to the lungs. And this deoxygenated blood is then loaded up with oxygen and unloaded with carbon dioxide? Yeah, carbon dioxide. And it's made up of the atria, the two upper chambers, they receive the blood, ventricles, the two lower chambers, they eject the blood, and the wall of the heart. So this is made up of three parts: epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Basically, the protective muscles of the heart. Start off at atria. The right atrium receives blood that returns to the heart from the superior and inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava sends the deoxygenated blood from the head, neck, chest, and arm regions, while the inferior vena cava retains the deoxygenated blood from the lower parts of the body to the right atrium, like the legs, abdomen, and the penis. The left atrium receives the blood that is returning to the heart from the pulmonary veins. These veins extend from the left atrium to the lungs and bring oxygenated blood back to the heart. Ventricles. The heart has two ventricles which are located right below the atria. The function of the ventricles is to pump blood from the heart to the other parts of the bodies. The right ventricle receives the blood from the right atrium and then pumps it to the pulmonary artery from which it heads out. The left ventricle receives blood from the left atrium and then pumps that blood to the aorta, through which it heads out of the heart and to the organs. Epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. The epicardium, also known as visceral pericardium, is the protective outer layer of the heart. The epicardium is composed primarily of loose connective tissue. The epicardium is the middle layer of the heart wall. It is composed of cardiac muscle. Endocardium is the thin layer of the heart wall. The endocardium lines the inner chambers and covers the heart valves. So what are the functions of the circulatory system? There's three main functions. Transportation of materials. It transports blood to almost all the tissues in the body. The blood delivers necessary nutrients and oxygen, and it also removes the waste and other useless stuff. Protection from different pathogens. So the circulatory system protects the body with the help of white blood cells. So these WBCs clean up the cellular detritus and fight the pathogens that have entered the body. So the regulation of the body is homeostasis actually. So the blood vessels help maintain a stable body temperature by controlling the blood flow. So that's it, and we'll cover a bit more of this next video, and we'll be covering the skeletal system next video.